Hey Andy, I know that we don't talk all that much, but I saw your video about how to improve our own videos, and I thought it was a great idea, mostly because I'm always thinking about different ways to try to improve my videos. So I thought this was a fantastic way to kind of showcase and kind of go into how I do my videos, and usually it takes a while to do. So a lot of times people will sit there and complain to me, or just complain in general, saying that I don't put enough work into it, or I should put more work into it. When I do a video, it literally usually takes me about a day to do. I'll film it early in the morning, and a lot of times I do it on my days off and things of that nature. Or sometimes I'm just lazy and I don't go into work, which is lucky because I actually own the place. I don't have to worry too much about it. So usually what I do, I mean, here I am, I'm in my office, and me and my girlfriend share this whole thing. She usually does all of her junk back there, which she's kind of a slob. So for me, the way that I think I could really improve my videos, number one is I need a faster computer. Right now, like I said, it takes a long time to render. I think I left it in a comment for you. It takes a long time to render one of my videos, mostly because my computer is probably about four or 5 years. I use a laptop. It's not too powerful. I have a lot of RAM on it, but I have the maximum amount of RAM. But the problem is the video software that I use. I've tried using Vegas, Sony Vegas Movie something or other. I used to use Windows Movie Maker. I kind of got out of that because I couldn't do HD or higher quality videos, not HD videos. I'm sorry. And I've lost my train of thought. Oh, so the video processor, or the processor in the computer itself, is very slow. It's like 1.6 gigahertz or something like that. It's considerably slower than what it should be. And video software usually runs off of your computer's processor. So because I have a slower processor, it takes a very long time to do it. I'll record a video, like for example, I recorded my Human Alliance Sideswipe video yesterday. I literally recorded it a little bit before 11 o'clock a.m. my time, and I didn't get the video uploaded. Now this is also because YouTube takes a long time to upload their videos and things like that. I wasn't able to get the video live till about 11 p.m. So you're looking at about 12 hours worth of work. Literally, I'll record the video, do what I need to do, then I have to transfer it from my camera, which I'm recording this on, to my laptop, which takes X amount of time. I'm not sure. It doesn't take too long to do it. But then it has to render inside that, and then I do all my editing and things like that, and that takes a little while, couple hours, I suppose, because then in addition to that editing, it then has to save, so I include that all in. So it takes a few hours to do that. Then afterwards I have to upload it to YouTube, and it goes very slow. So it's a long process that I could cut things out with a faster computer. The other thing is I wouldn't mind having an HD camera, much like yourself. The camera that I'm using now, I actually bought from Matrix Prime. I got a very good price on it, and I think I do a fairly good job. It's a Sony Handycam something or other. It's actually a pretty good camera, but obviously an HD camera is going to be better. So that's really what I think I could do to really improve my videos, those two things. A lot of people say that I take too long and that I kind of ramble, and yes, that's true, but doesn't everybody? Other than that, I really don't think of anything else that I could really do differently. I probably could do a lot of stuff better. People said I should script my stuff. I don't like scripting things. That's just another process that's going to take longer to do. Plus, I don't really have a way to read my script. I don't like necessarily transforming the because this is how you usually see me while the camera's around. But you see my hands and I'm doing all this stuff. I don't have time to hold a piece of paper to do it. So other than that, but I also think that it's a good this video thing that you're doing here is a good way to kind of show the setup of how we do videos. I'm sorry, I'm playing. This is my tripod, which is really cool because it's got a little bendy thing, so and it stays, and I can bend it whichever way I want. So I'm gonna drop my camera, and I'm gonna show you real quick. Oh, there's how. What my process is, I kind of do, what my setup. People have asked me about this, so I thought I would do it. Plus, I'm going to kind of show off my, I guess, my figures. So, be right back. Okay, guys, so here is usually where I do my, this is where I usually do my videos. And actually, I usually have this out, and there's a bunch of junk in there. And I have my camera, my tripod set up on here. and the camera goes on here, and as you can see I got some boxes there I'm getting ready to review. Here's all my, and then have a nice day. There's some of my collection going down here. More stuff. I'm tripping over stuff. There's my Star Trek stuff down there on the bottom. It's my ironing board. And then come over to here, and that's where my cats sleep. And that's really bright. And here's a whole bunch more of my figures. There's most of the movie stuff. There's just kind of more, well, there's more movie stuff. I got a lot of movie. Well, that's classic mixed in. And then here's Human Alliance stuff, random stuff. There's Voltron all the way in the back. There's some of my superhero stuff, fan projects, appendage, Wally, things of that nature. So this is where, and this isn't my whole collection. I got a lot of stuff downstairs. But here's my seat. I'll sit here. I'm going to sit down here, and first of all, you notice that I have a whiteboard here and a big light. That light is I think that's a 300 watt light. So what I do, and I have a white thing here, I'll turn this on, and you can see the light reflects off of the whiteboard onto the area where I'm recording, makes it a lot brighter. I also use a regular standard lamp light right there, and above, overhead, I have, as you can see, it's like directly overhead shining down. This is a big son of a gun. This light, that bottom bulb right there is a 500 watt light, and that top bulb is a 300 watt light. So I use a lot of lighting and the whiteboard. So that's pretty much what I do. Then, like I said, turn it around. Then, like I said, I'll put it into my computer after I record it. Then I do the regular editing process, and that's where I really think I could use a better computer. So I hope that kind of helped. I think this is a good idea that you're doing. So I hope people found this entertaining and educational. So I'm going to actually record a video review right now. I've got these that I just got these in the mail today, and I'm absolutely loving these things, so I'm going to show these off. So thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed it, Andy.